Hey guys, welcome back to the Bog Kitchen. So we're going to make ramen today, but first we have to get some of the ingredients. This is one of Michelle's favorite meals that I make that is just real quick and easy. When I don't have a supply of stuff at home, this is what I make. I normally have all the ingredients on hand, but I don't today. So we're going to get those ingredients and I'll show you my go-to items for this and where I get them. So let's head inside. Alright, we're all done at Costco. Things spiraled out of control a little bit. We got everything we needed and all the things that I didn't know I needed, but figured out that I did once I saw them. So we got everything here, so let's head out to the grocery store and finish off our shopping list. All done here, and I just want to point out one of the things you can do is go to your local coffee shop. In this case, I happen to be at Meijer, so I went to Starbucks, and you can pick up composting coffee grounds, and they give them away for free. All right, guys, we have all the ingredients. I'll go over the entire list of everything we're going to be using. Now let's get cooking. All right, to start out, we're going to need our ramen. We've picked out a spicy ramen, a shin noodle soup. And that's going to have a lot of its own seasoning, so it's going to work out great. But to spice it up, we're going to add 2 cloves of garlic, a medium onion, about 4 mushrooms, cilantro, Kirkland chicken breasts, 4 eggs. We're going to have a pineapple, some broccoli florets, and then some of the seasoning or the sauces we're going to use is a toasted sesame oil and Coco Aminos. Now the fine libation to the right is going to be snake oil, a cold brew nitro stout from Milwaukee Brewing. First, start out by bringing 2 1/3 cups of water to a boil per packet of ramen. Now for our poached eggs, we're going to add some water to a saucepan and bring it to a boil. Now we're going to slice our onions into rings. Then slice up the mushrooms. And now mince the garlic. Now I said at the beginning I want this to be simple and easy, so that's why I'm using canned chicken. It's already cooked, so all you do is drain it and toss it in with everything and heat it up. There's very little cook time and it just speeds everything up. Once your water for the ramen gets to a boil, you're going to add all of the noodles. And once that's all incorporated, start adding your seasoning and give it a good stir. Now this is going to cook for 4.5 minutes. Now this is where everything's going to start going quick. So while everything's cooking, you're going to add 2 tablespoons of oil. I'm using avocado oil, and you're going to start sauteing onions. Then you're going to put your eggs into your boiling water. I did 4 eggs. You're going to crack them open and just slowly drop them in. Now once the onions start to go translucent and they're all done, you're going to add your broccoli and your mushrooms and start to saute those. Then you're going to add your chicken. 2 tablespoons of sesame seed oil, 2.5 teaspoons of your Coco Aminos. Now you're going to give this a nice big stir, get everything mixed in real well, and then cover and let it steam. Now once the eggs are all done poaching, in about 2 to 3 minutes, you're going to take them out, set them to the side, and start dicing up your cilantro. Now that everything's done cooking, now is the assembly. Start with a base of your noodles and broth. You're going to add your chicken and vegetables to the top of that. Your eggs atop of that. Dress it with a little bit of leftover cocoa amino or soy sauce, and then sprinkle it with a little bit of hot sauce or cilantro, whatever you want. And the final thing is dress it with a little bit of pineapple. And there you have it, guys. Just adding a few ingredients to really upgrade a very simple meal. Now, we use a spicy ramen in this case. You can use any type of ramen, and in this case we use chicken. You could use beef, you use a beef ramen. Everything in this is interchangeable. You can add the vegetables that you'd like, add the meat you'd like. You can upgrade the broth. I use the cocoa amino. You can use soy sauce instead. Really, this is just the baseline to say you can change it. You can upgrade it. You can make a very simple, cheap meal feel expensive or feel restaurant quality. It just takes your imagination and experiment with flavors. Now, we use the spicy ramen, and that's why I like using that pineapple to really help mellow it out. Now, I can't say it wasn't hot and I wasn't sweating, because I am. But at the end of the day, it tastes wonderful. Now, I hope this inspires you to try something new. Give it a shot. Enjoy. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.